Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time or seeing my video on YouTube, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are the type of person who have a dark circle under your eyes or you have a bag eyes, don't worry, the remedy I have to share with you today will help you to get rid of all those dark circle. Okay guys, so I would like to share this beautiful remedy with you for those people who have a bag eyes, dark circle, you have a pigmentation under your eye. This remedy will help you to light and tone the dark cycle. Okay, ingredients we are going to be using organic cucumber. Okay, we all know the vitamin and the nutrition that cucumber contain. Okay, we are going to be using cucumber to get rid of the dark circle and the puffy eyes. It has a mild astringent property that can light the skin around the eyes. Okay, cucumber is packed with vitamin K that helps in strengthening the capillary and reducing the visible of the dark circle. Potato, okay, it has to be organic potato. Sorry, this potato is very small, so I only need one portion of potato. I only need one. So potato, we all know that potato contain a bleaching property as well. It contains a lot of vitamins also. So potato has a natural bleaching property. Bowl here, and we are going to start with the potato first. So I will not peel the skin. Okay, you can actually slice it and put it direct to your eyes under. You can actually take a slice, you can slice it also into two and place the second half under the eye cycle. Where the darkest so I need a quarter of the cucumber, and you can actually store the remaining one in the fridge. So guys, what we need now, we need to mix them together. So guys, you can extract the water, but I will not extract any water. I'm just going to leave it. As you can see, the wine, the juice from the potato and the cucumber, it's full of nutrition and it's full of vitamins, and they both contain bleaching property. And it's optional. If you like, you can put vitamin A, okay, if you like. So I'm going to be adding vitamin E capsule because to speed the healing fast. Okay, vitamin E also contains a bleaching property, antioxidants, and it can also help you to speed the lightening of the dark under your eyes. Okay guys, so I'm going to mix them through all the three ingredients together. And now I would like to show you how you are going to be applied to your skin. You need a cotton pad. I think that is too big. You can actually cut this into 4. That is what I used to do. So cut it into 4. I only need one part. So that's the juice. You can get rid of the stuff here if you don't want, or you can leave it and you can preserve it. You can preserve it in the fridge, and you can leave it in your fridge. Okay, you have to put it in the fridge, or else it's not going to be useful for you tomorrow. It will change color. So guys, you leave it with the cotton pad under your eyes this way. You leave it for at least 30 minutes. You don't remove the cotton pad. You leave it with the cotton pad around the effect area, the dark circle, and you did the same thing again. Sorry guys for the noise, my baby is playing with the toys, with her toys. So that is the second eyes. So guys, you leave it like this at least for 30 minutes, okay, for you to see the results. Like I always say, continuation is the key. So you choose a day, maybe 4 or 3 times in a week. So this remedy will help you to tone and to light the effect area. Okay guys, and you do it maybe in the morning and at night time before the bed. You continue, and please don't forget to share my video, subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.